Welcome. Today I am going to talk about GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease. Many people, they are having acid burn, acid gas, all those things. Okay. When you swallow, food passes down your throat and through your esophagus to your stomach. A muscle called the lower esophageal sphincter controls the opening between the esophagus and the stomach. Remains tightly closed except when it passes swallow food. When this muscle fails to close, the acid contents of the stomach can travel back into the esophagus, which is called reflux. When stomach acid enters the lower part of esophagus, it can produce a burning sensation commonly referred to a heartburn. More than 60 million Americans experience heartburn and more than 15 million Americans experience heartburn symptoms each day. Here you can see, whatever we eat, it goes through esophagus, it goes to stomach ultimately, the back kind of thing. It's a stomach. And whatever, and there is a sphincter between esophagus and stomach. There is a sphincter, you can see red color. So that is a band, that protects whatever you eat. When it goes to stomach, it stops going back. But when it becomes loose because of the lot of painkillers, blood pressure medicine, diabetes medicine, all these chemical medicine, they relax this muscle and acid goes back and it is damaging. You see the erosion. It is eroded the esophagus and ulcer, esophagitis, and because of esophagitis, ultimately that ulcer causes the damage to esophagus and you feel acidity, bleeding can take place, so many side effects after taking prescription drugs. Large number of Americans use over-the-counter antacids and other agents that are available without a prescription. When GERD is not treated properly, serious complications can occur, such as reflux esophagitis, causing ulcers near the junction of stomach and esophagus, bleeding, esophageal stricture, Barrett esophagus, ultimately can cause esophageal adenocarcinoma, a cancer. It can also cause chronic cough, laryngitis, asthma, sinusitis, and damaged teeth. Severe chest pain that can mimic a heart attack. A 1999 study reported in New England Journal of Medicine showed that patients with chronic untreated heartburn of many years duration were at substantially greater risk of developing esophageal cancer, which is one of the fastest growing and among the most lethal form of cancer in this country. Please avoid medications that provoke symptoms. These include smooth muscle relaxant such as calcium channel blockers, including amlodipine, diltiazem, felodipine, nifedipine, verapamil, many other drugs, which are used for high blood pressure and heart problems. Anticholinergic drugs, including benztropine, iron pills, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, including aspirin and ibuprofen. Potassium, dopamine for Parkinson's disease, it is used. Sedatives, bisphosphonate, drugs used in osteoporosis, and beta blockers such as atenolol, labetalol, metoprolol, nadolol for high blood pressure or heart disease. In stomach, you can see here the acid and the small portion is of the wall of the stomach. In wall of the stomach you can see there are cells and you can see the blue color lining, coating, which is secreted by goblet cells of stomach. They secrete a protective layer and you can see here this is the parietal cells which is secreting acids. So goblet cells, they protect stomach. There is a lining in the stomach, and when you take these medications, NSAIDs, prescription drugs for blood pressure, cholesterol, heart problems, all these medications you can see here, NSAID drugs, when it comes in the stomach and gradually it damages that cellular level it damages the coating, the protective coating of the stomach inside the stomach lining, and because of this damage, and then you see here, you can see the damaged epithelial cells, stomach cells, ultimately it give rise to ulcer, stomach ulcer. It can bleed, it can have a lot of serious consequences because of these medications. Gastrointestinal remedies are abundant, but many simple mask the symptoms rather than attack the problem. Antacids suppresses the body's acid producing capabilities. Treatment starts with ranitidine, famotidine or cimetidine, then Nexium. Inhalation, tiny amounts of stomach fluid that back up into the esophagus, a hallmark of GERD, produces changes in the immune system that can drive the development of asthma. So you have to understand, GERD can cause asthma. Blood thinner, heartburn drugs may be risky after heart attack. According to Journal of American Medical Association, patients taking Plavix PPIs have 25% increased chances of death. Rehospitalization, patients are given Plavix to help reduce the risk of another heart attack. Doctors also prescribe proton pump inhibitor PPIs, but both clinicians and patient should look at why the PPIs is being prescribed. Some heartburn drugs raise risk of second heart attack. Study researchers said between 5 and 15% of recurrent heart attacks may be the results of people taking a combination of the blood thinner Plavix or acid lowering medications known as proton pump inhibitor. Indiscriminate use of proton pump inhibitors could result in thousands of additional cases of recurrent myocardial infarction every year. Long-term use of drugs that blocks stomach acid may be linked to cognitive impairment. Antacid pills triggers allergies. Ingestion tablets may trigger food allergies, according to a study by scientists in Austria. Said the antacid pills may interfere with digestion by reducing the level of gastric acid in the stomach, causing food to enter the intestine before it is fully broken down, triggering an attack. Health care providers need to carefully consider the association risk before prescribing non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs known as NSAIDs, as gastrointestinal morbidity are the most common adverse events linked to NSAIDs use. NSAIDs are the most widely used medications in the world. Side effects of Nexium: allergic reaction, back pain, chest pain, high blood pressure, increased heart rate, ringing of the ears, depression, blurred vision, and pancreatitis. All these medications mainly reduce the acid secretion in the different ways, but Nexium is prescribed to large number of patients nowadays because drug companies are charging more with Nexium. Tell me, how many of you are really feeling good with the Nexium? Remember, nothing is useless in our body temple. Every ingredient, every part of human body is a precious gift from Mother Nature, and it has some specific role in our body. Most of the time, the problem is due to side effect of chronic use of chemical prescription medicines, of other chronic health problems like diabetes, high blood pressure, or heart problems, or chemical food preservatives in our food. That is the main cause of these problems, and we blame our body. Have you or your doctors ever thought why to stop this acid production? If you think, actually your heartburn started after taking lots of prescription medicines. Before taking those medications, you never had a heartburn. No acidity, no gases, sometimes occasional, but not like this. And now Acid should not be stopped with these medications. It has to be regularized so that you should not have problems. That is what actually your body need. Absence or reduction of these necessary acid can also cause stomach infections. Stomach acid helps to kill microbes, organisms like bacteria, viruses. It protects from the body. That's why it is there. As soon as you eat, if it is having bacteria, viruses and other organisms, it has to be killed in the stomach before going into the blood. That is what it does. It in the stomach and digests the food also. Because proton pump inhibitors completely stop acid production, using them can lead to a growth of microbes in stomach. They are also toxic to liver and kidney. They also cause problems with protein digestion and absorption of vitamin B12. In addition, long-term medication use can not only change GI function but also interfere with absorption of many nutrients. Some antacids reduce iron absorption, which ultimately affects the capacity to make red blood cells. Prolonged antacid use affects calcium storage, leading to musculoskeletal problems. Plus, many people assume that calcium containing antacids supply them with the required calcium, when in fact the body cannot readily use the calcium in most antacids. One major problem with our modern diet is its lack of enzymes. Cooked or processed food lose their natural enzymes that help us digest the food. Digestive enzyme supplements can help the body effectively digest food. Plant-based enzymes provide the most benefit because they work earlier in the digestive process, beginning digestion in the stomach. Animal-based enzymes like pancreatin, however, start working in the small intestine but don't promote digestion in the stomach, where indigestion originates. I will give you one important tip. Ginger is very commonly used household remedy for heartburn, but it can cause heartburn, bleeding tendency. You should not take it if you have gallbladder stones or heart problems. Licorice herb can cause low blood levels of potassium, high blood levels of sodium, water retention, increased blood pressure, heart problems and blood problems. Remember this. Peppermint, very commonly used for acidity. Many people, they use peppermint, they drink different kind of things. But in people with GERD, even though some of the symptoms including indigestion and heartburn, it should not be used. Peppermint should not be used. This is because peppermint can relax the sphincter between the stomach and esophagus, which is the cause for GERD, allowing stomach acid to flow back into the esophagus by relaxing the sphincter. So, peppermint actually worsens the symptoms of heartburn and indigestion. It can also cause skin rash, slow down heart rate and muscle tremors. Our products aim at mainly reinstate necessary normal balance of this acid, eliminate the symptoms, heal esophagitis, prevent the relapse of esophagitis or development of complications in patients with esophagitis. Also, promote proper digestion, enhance the protective coating of stomach without any side effects. As a result, our customers feel good and leads normal healthy life. Please don't take things lightly. Everybody starts with simple one medication for their problems, then gradually the number of doses of medication increases and everybody lands into resistant or uncontrolled health issues, ending into heart problems, stroke, eye problems, kidney failure and dialysis. You will listen in my program many people who had high blood pressure and just after taking 2 to 3 years of prescription medicine put them on dialysis. If you are fed up of increasing dose of medication and related repeated operations, and cheap trendy dietary supplements, general Ayurveda and homeopathy, then only these special natural supplements can help you to save your life from chronic complex health problems. If you are fed up of listening from your doctor that if you once develop diabetes or high blood pressure, it is not curable and you need to take the increase your prescription medicines when previous doses stops working. So doses keep on increasing, and then your body get resistant. You don't eat, you don't take any sugar and sweet, but still your problems are increasing. Why? Your cholesterol is increasing when you are not eating. So you have to understand, you have to think on these things, what I am saying. Your doctor doesn't know about these secret special supplements which can save your life without side effect by bringing you out of your large number of prescription drugs and future surgeries. When people are out of options after trying over everything, then our special natural supplements can save. They are made by applying bioengineering and biotechnology with unique, effective formulations of an extensive research and analysis of secret knowledge of rare natural substances. They are super extracts. It is blended scientifically to combine modern medical technology and natural complementary medical modalities in an innovative yet responsible manner to help people to optimize their health and vitality. Our special supplements are not Ayurveda or homeopathy. Remember this, I keep on telling again and again, as they don't deliver fast and better results for serious chronic issues. These delivers excellent result. Our product. These supplements increases body sensitivity to insulin, enhances the insulin production. These supplements not only protect heart from blockages or reblockages, heart damage and enlargement, but at large extent can clear the blockages. You can see the patient's experience, don't trust me. Corrects all complications caused by your diabetes and side effect of medications taken by you. They will protect your heart, kidney, eyes, nerves. All this is unbelievable, right? In this era of scientific proofs, don't trust me. But you need to trust people who speak in front of camera. They are real people, not paid actors. They are serious, responsible American citizens. They are from medical field, doctor, registered nurses, physiotherapists, pharmacists, police cop, law enforcement officers. They come and they talk in front of camera, so you have to trust them. We are talking very responsibly. We are not irresponsible people like you see other advertisements on TV show. You can understand, when I talk and after listening to these people, you are smart. You can understand. Now I will show you. Please listen to one of my customers. Herself is a nurse, registered nurse. So you can understand, and how beneficial these things are. We can see the changes on fingers, everything, the swelling is reduced, the inflammation is reduced, and that's how the finger movements. See, you can see the finger movements. Now he can move his fingers nicely.
Hi, this is Aftab Hussain. I was here before. My feeling was very bad, and I came to Dr. Rao. I got medicine from him. I feel very much better. I was not, before I was not moving my hand. It's very hard to close my hand. Now it's much better, and I was not eating. Now I eat better. I sleep very well, and everything is okay now. It's a 50-50 per, there is
and what about your sexual capacity? Is it improved?
Yeah, it is. It is much better before, and I feel very much good. When I came here, I was thinking, maybe it's not working. I thank God. I appreciate Dr. Rao. He helped me a lot with that, and God gave him gift for that because he saved me. I was crying every time because I'm not gonna walk, I'm not gonna do anything. But thank God I'm better now.
And
Yeah.
what about your acidity, and you are having a lot of reflex esophagitis?
It's all gone. All gone. Yeah, it's
So you
okay.
can eat.
Much better. Much better.
Do you have any side effect because of our things?
Not at all. Not at all. 'Cause, I didn't get any side effect. All treatment is going very well, and I feel better with that.